I personally liked how he has guided me on my career path since I'm transitioning my career from Salesforce developer to a QA automation engineer. I had multiple questions raised in my mind, and all those were answered clearly by my mentor. Hi, good evening. This is Vishwa from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation in 2021 and joined Deloitte as a campus recruit. On a whole, I have 2.5 years of work experience as a Salesforce developer. So when I have joined Deloitte, I was not given an option to choose my role. I was given a Salesforce developer role. When I was exploring other roles in the software development lifecycle, I personally liked automation engineering. So I was searching for various resources and I came across Crio. I liked the concept of learning by doing. Hence, I joined Crio and completed my 1 year of training. Currently, I am working as an automation engineer at Login Radius. Okay, so coming to the program, my ultimate goal was to learn Selenium with Java perfectly, and I also wanted a hands-on on other testing domains like API testing and performance testing, and I wanted to become good in my coding knowledge like the DSA and Java skills. So all these I was able to achieve through Cryo curriculum. I want to mention two things here. I like the concept of having regular assessments, and the project assessment was also there where we were asked to upload our project code in the GitHub and an assessment was run based on our code. And only if we clear that particular assessment, we'll be moving forward. I particularly like this concept because this enables us to learn the things perfectly and complete everything before trying to learn a new thing. So this was good. Coming to the next thing, the DSA emphasis was also very good. The tutoring was, I mean, so clean that I understood right from the basics. I want to share two things. Firstly, I want them to put their entire concentration on what they are learning and be good at completing the regular assessments and tasks. And secondly, I would recommend them to revise everything on a regular basis so that they would gradually become perfect in what they are learning and ultimately achieve their goal.